Again, with determining geometric sequences, you need to look for that common ratio. So the same process works every time. Take your last term, divide it by the term before it. So a sub n divided by a sub n minus 1. Now in this case, our a sub n is negative 1/8, and our n sub 1 is 1/4. Well, we're going to rewrite that as a more appropriate way of doing fractions. Negative 1/8 divided by 1 over 4, which obviously turns into negative 1/8 times 4 over 1, which is equal to negative 4 over 8, and that reduces down to negative 1/2. Now we know we're going to have a common ratio is if we take then this term divided by this one, and if we get negative 1/2, then we found our common ratio, and we can determine it's a geometric sequence. So you take a sub n minus 1, and you divide that by a sub n minus 2, which will get us 1/4 divided by negative 1/2. And again, we're going to rewrite this. So now that it looks like 1/4 divided by negative 1/2, so we'll reciprocate this business. So we got 1/4 times negative 2 over 1, which then equals negative 2 over 4, which is the same as negative 1/2. Okay, now because they're identical, you now can determine that you have a common ratio. You would say the common ratio is equal to negative 1/2, and you now can with confidence say this is a geometric sequence.